Enter the vehicle and remove the steering wheel side casing to reveal the vehicle's power adapter box. Inside the converter box, find the corresponding positive and negative power terminals and ACC for connecting the power cables of the devices. Route the wires through the doorway of the car to hide the wiring. Install the SOS button on the lower left side of the steering wheel. Tape the wiring harness to prevent it from coming loose. Secure the wiring harness with cable ties. Reinstate the disassembly position. Insert SIM card and TF card into the host. Use wet and dry alcohol cotton to clear glass dust. Loosen the screws on both sides of the main unit to facilitate subsequent adjustment of the camera angle. Tear off the host 3M adhesive and install it. Tuck the exposed wires into the roof of the car. Use AD tool to connect to the host's Wi-Fi. Adjust the angle by looking at the video screen after logging into AD tool. Use a screwdriver to fix the screws on both sides of the main unit. Fix the angle of the video screen.